Welcome to the CryptoNest. So let's talk about Arbitrum. I think it's been very long time I didn't do any follow-up on Arbitrum. And honestly, my counts would say that it's questionable. Yeah, I know, because, like, I really feel uncomfortable to call that a wave 1, okay? So after that, yeah, I can make it count like, A, B, C for the wave A, and this was the B, and all this is a C. And also before we were doing this descending triangle, broke out, and now I can also make another one. If I put this trend here in red, and this is the yellow one, the base, this is another bigger descending triangle within the descending triangle. Now, that's what I'm saying, honestly, okay, fine, price did react to the 0.786, but starting my wave here, honestly, it's not reliable. Maybe many people did that and then they found this is a good level and then coincide also with this downtrend. So this is why price reacted now and it went higher. But this is really stretching it, borderline almost useless, because it's too early and I don't really see a wave 1. But we need to work with what we have. So I put it there. It's a psychological level, but not that reliable. Now we can see that we're having this trend that was acting as a resistance, and now we are kind of struggling, right? It's not that bad though, because honestly, for the first time at least, we did break out, and now we're kind of fighting again. It's honestly, it's not bad. And let's see now. The best would have been price doesn't go as low as it went, okay? Because we could say maybe this could be the wave 1, this could be the wave 2, and this maybe wave 3. But now the wave 4, it's same level as the wave 1, right? So this does invalidate the Elliott wave count. The only thing make it work now, it's because we are into a diagonal. This is the only scenario that wave 1 and 4 can overlap. So I can do something like this, maybe, or just to make it count, yeah, something like that maybe. And I can say, like, did it work? Did I click enough? Yeah, okay, so this could be maybe wave 1, this is the 2, we did the 3rd, now we're doing the 4th, and eventually we're going to do the 5th one. This is one way to calculate that movement. Now the other thing, it does make sense the price stop here, because as you can see, this is the MA 200 on the 4 hour, and we did have two things that can act as a support, right? The MA 200 and this uptrend line. Now let's go and see the indicators. We did fully recharged, so that's amazing. So we're ready to go, and we had a few green candle on the MACD, so that's amazing. So short term price should reverse and continue to go higher. Now let's see on the daily, are we going on the same directive movement? So let's see here once again. So if this was the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3rd. Up to now it does work. 3rd wave is the highest RSI. We are pulling, we did add with this pull back. Now today, for the first time, today we're having a green candle. We had like how many days? Red one, 4-day red. Help us to do this 4th wave, and now maybe we're ready to go and do this 5th wave. Momentum is in decline for sure, because we're doing this 4th wave. Is the 4th wave completed? Maybe yes, maybe not. It looks to me completed if we're doing this into a diagonal. Now, where can it go, honestly? So let's see now. We are at 88 or 89 cents. So, well, first of all, for sure we need to break the previous higher high, local high of the third wave. That's about 98 cents. So now it's kind of tricky, honestly, because we are having, first of all, we're missing the MA 200 because this is too early, because it's too young coin. So I need to go on the maybe 12 hours. So 12 hours. So MA 200, it's here, and that's about $1.03. Wouldn't be, what are the odds? Well, because, you know, when I make this zoom in, well, I mean, price can start to go higher, and then, you know, what are the odds that the MA 200 then is going to go bend down here? So that's a possible level. So I would say somewhere around between $1 and maybe $1.05. So let me take out some drawings. So I'm going to put it here. Where was the, I think it's here. Yeah, so I want to put something like that. So maybe I'm going to target about this level here as a destination for a probable fifth wave. Now I don't know why the background is so dark. I'm going to adjust that later. So anyway, the important thing, I believe price should go around this level here if we get that right. Now, also possible for a moment, we're only having 1, 2, and 3 waves, so that could be just an A, B, C, and after that, price get rejected, and we continue to go lower. This is now critical point. Are we going to have a fifth wave or not? So, not financial advice, but if that work out, I mean, what would be the potential gain of that? So let's say you need to determine, you know, worst case scenario. If it goes below 80, for sure we get rejected this theory because you cannot go below than a wave 2. And potential gain from the price here would be something about 18% if I go to $1.04 or just a little below, I don't know, even 14% is not bad, right? For 1 week or 2? 1 week, I would say, maybe. All right, so this could be pretty much the end of the video. I think there is some option here to make some money, allegedly, if you know how to time it, for sure. I would say, in my opinion, as soon as we have a closed candle below this trend, I would get out. And definitely official invalidation point is when, if price reach below the wave 2, that's it's a no. We can wick out also a little bit below this trend line and still be okay, but ideally we want something like this, right? That really price respect the trend and now reverse. All right, so this is another opportunity, short term, very short term, because let's remember, after we are going to have, if we get indeed 5 waves, we are going to expect a corrective movement. Yeah, you got that right. A B, and a C. And then if we have 5 way up and 3 way down, then we can estimate where price should stop the reversal point, and then that's going to be another third wave. As you can see, many crypto lately, they're kind of about the same stage, right? Some, they already did 5 way up, and then they start maybe to do their pullback. Others, they did 4 and are missing 1 extra wave to count 5 wave, right? All right, so this is pretty much all for Arbitrum for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And also, don't be shy. If you find other crypto coins that they are maybe on the borderline of breaking out, because there are so many out there, right? Please share them with the community. I'm going to try to do my best to make a follow-up. All right, so please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.